let's talk about the Massca Pocket Hole Jig set. In this kit, we've included our twin pocket hole jig, drill bit, hex key, and stop collar. And on the back, you'll find an instruction manual. You can use our pocket hole jig for repairs or to work on new projects. For the correct setup for new projects, flip the end piece of the jig and set it as is. Here, we'll show you how to measure the actual thickness of your wood. This piece is 3/4 of an inch thick. Now, let's set up your drill bit. Align the shoulder of the drill against the depth setting gauge to match the wood thickness. Tighten the stop collar, ensuring it is seated against the drill bit piece. Now, let's start drilling some pocket holes. Grab your clamp and clamp down your jig and your wood piece to your table. Grab your drill along with the drill bit inserted, and you're ready to start drilling. Now, let's talk about screws. Since the wood that we're going to be working with today is 3/4 of an inch thick, the pocket hole screw that we're going to need is going to be a 1 1/4 inch length.